Right, here's the start of the roof repair. I bought some scaffolding because I can't get a bloody painter anywhere near me to come and deal with this roof. I was up there yesterday and I looked at it. It's not rust, it's mould. So I'll get up there, I'll get that dealt to and rust proof it, then paint it. I've got the gear for it, so I'll take another one when I get up there. Because of sunstrike, it's a bit difficult. This is not actually rust, it's growth. So once I get that off, and I will, with a wire brush, I'll take another one shortly with that, and I'll get some rust proofing on it and paint it. Wish I could have got somebody else to do this. I didn't want to do this. Alright. Right, the roof progress. I tried a lot of things. Wire brush, wire brush on my battery drill. It moved it, but it was slow going. But what I found is, looking stuff on YouTube, was household bleach. I diluted it to start with. It sort of worked, and then I worked out that what I was using, New Zealand Genol, was only 4%. I used it straight and that just absolutely devastated it. So I won't be painting the roof this coming winter. It'll be a summer job now, and I'll do this side of the house. So I'll close this off here and then I'll show you what else I did. Right, a bit of modification here. I cut this down pipe and I put the drain in it. When I get up top I'll show you the reason for that. Now there's some installation mistakes here. Firstly, you glued all the joints. Never ever for downpipe glue the joints. You may at some time want to get them apart. If you want to hold them together, just put a self-tapping screw through the joints. That's sufficient, then you can take it out and pull it apart. The other thing is that should have had a leaf catcher put up there. I'll probably never get around it because I've got no trees close to give me leaves. So we'll get up and we'll see the work that's been done up there. I just used bleach in this little hand sprayer. I couldn't find the bigger one. I've got another 2 sprayers somewhere. I'm not sure where they are. Must be hiding in the other shed somewhere. But anyway, it worked. Right, now you'll see why I cut the spouting. This was totally clear of rubbish until I sprayed that Genola on it. It has killed it. Hasn't got it all off, but it's loose. If I get up here later when it's dry with a brush, that'll probably come off. Bit of sunstrike, but all of this drain, I'll have to get a hose in here and wash it out, because when we get heavy rain, that'll cause me a problem. So, so far it's been successful, and it's saved me a shitload of money.